Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sugaring Kit is probably one of the most sought-after at-home hair removal solutions, offering a natural and gentle alternative to waxing. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sugaring, exploring the best kits on the market, and showing you how to achieve smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of your own home. Get ready to say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a more natural approach to hair removal. Number 5. Sugardoh Mini Sugar Waxing Kit. Introducing the Sugardoh Mini Kit, your all-in-one solution for at-home sugaring. This kit includes everything you need to get started, from the wax to the applicators and strips. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. This kit is trending on TikTok and is a sustainable choice for body care. It's a clean, vegan, biodegradable, and cruelty-free product, made right here in the USA. You'll love the results and feel good about your choice. Experience gentle hair removal with Sugardoh. It removes hair from the root with less pain than traditional waxing. Hair grows back slower, and it becomes finer over time. Forget the mess and the burns. This sugar paste works at room temperature, using the natural heat of your skin. It only adheres to dead skin cells, providing gentle exfoliation. Cleaning up is a breeze with this sugar-based paste. It washes away easily with water, requiring no special cleaning agents. The formula is made with just 3 simple ingredients. What we like. This kit is incredibly gentle on your skin, minimizing irritation compared to traditional waxing. It requires no heating, making the process safe and convenient. If you have sensitive skin and want a hassle-free hair removal experience, you should consider this kit. What people say. The reusable applicator and cloth strips that come with the kit made the process so much easier. I found that heating the sugar wax in hot water helped it to soften and made it easier to apply. It definitely removed hair. Number 4. Sugaring Factory 3-Pack Sugaring Paste. Introducing the Sugaring Factory Sugaring Paste. This is a 100% natural sugaring paste for all body hair removal. It's made in the USA and designed for long-lasting results. Experience smooth, hair-free skin with this paste. It gently removes unwanted hair from various areas, including arms, legs, and the face. You can achieve a flawless, confident look. This starter kit includes 3 varieties: soft, gentle, and ultra. They provide everything you need for a fantastic waxing experience. From ultimate effectiveness to gentle care, you can achieve flawless results effortlessly. This sugaring wax is made with organic ingredients. It's free from harsh substances and additives, ensuring a skin-safe hair removal process. The ingredients include natural sugar, organic citric acid, and purified water. This classic sugar paste penetrates the follicles and extracts hair from the root. It prevents injury, breakage, ingrowth, or dermal irritation. You can enjoy effects that last beyond 3 weeks. It inhibits new hair growth, giving you smooth skin for an extended period. What we like. This sugaring paste uses 100% natural ingredients, ensuring a skin-safe hair removal process. It offers long-lasting results, keeping your skin smooth for weeks. If you are looking for a product suitable for all body hair removal and want a product that delivers lasting smoothness, you should choose this. What people say. This is the best one brand I used in USA. Easy to open, doesn't need to be microwaved, keeps form for a long time, very economic. So far the Gentle and Ultra have only worked to remove fine facial hairs and only partial thicker body hairs. Number 3. Sugaring Paste for Bikini, Brazilian, Arms. This sugaring paste is designed for gentle and effective hair removal. It's perfect for sensitive areas like the bikini line and Brazilian. The paste will leave your skin smooth and soft. Specifically formulated for delicate areas, this paste offers a comfortable experience. It effectively removes hair from the root, providing long-lasting results. You'll love how clean and confident you feel. Not only is it great for intimate areas, but it also works wonders on arms. The application is easy, and the results are impressive. It's a simple way to achieve smooth, hair-free skin. The included applicator makes the process even easier. It ensures a smooth and even application of the paste. This tool helps you achieve professional-looking results at home. Enjoy weeks of smooth skin with this sugaring paste. The hair is removed from the root, leading to slower regrowth. It's a convenient and effective solution for hair removal. What we like. This product is specifically designed for those trickier areas like the bikini and Brazilian. The hard paste ensures effective hair removal, and the included applicator makes the process easier. If you like a product that can handle the most sensitive areas with precision, you should consider this. What people say. It is so easy to use. Make sure your skin is dry. Powder with cornstarch, baby powder, or baking soda if you need to. Pop your sugar wax in the microwave for 50 seconds. Let it cool on your applicator until it thickens a tad bit to a comfortable temperature, and I've found using a metal butter knife to apply and use the flicking method is the key to easier usage of this product. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy and quick. I have waxed my underarms 3 times, every 3 to 4 weeks. And the hair is almost gone completely. It's super then. It removes practically every hair in one pull. Number 2. Sugaring NYC Soft Sugaring Paste Kit. Introducing a gentle way to remove unwanted hair. This soft sugaring paste is designed for sensitive areas like the face, arms, and lower legs. It's a natural and effective solution. This product from Sugaring NYC uses a unique formula. It's made with natural ingredients, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. You'll love how it feels. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes the soft sugaring paste and a convenient applicator. It makes the process easy and mess-free. Specifically formulated for delicate skin. This product is perfect for facial hair removal, as well as arms and lower legs. It provides long-lasting results. Using the applicator, the process is simple. Just apply the paste and remove the hair. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. What we like. This kit is perfect for delicate areas like the face and arms, thanks to its soft paste formula. The included applicator ensures precise application. If you are looking for a gentle and effective solution for facial and arm hair removal, you should consider this. What people say. The sugar wax is easy to use. It removes the hair completely. The kit comes with everything you need. Number 1. Sugaring Hair Removal Kit, Soft, Medium, Hard Paste Trio. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for a natural and effective hair removal solution. It includes 3 different paste consistencies, soft, medium, and hard, catering to various hair types and areas of the body. This kit is designed to make sugaring easy and accessible for everyone. The soft paste is ideal for sensitive areas and fine hair. It's easy to apply and removes hair gently, minimizing irritation. This is a great option for beginners or those with delicate skin. The medium paste is a versatile option suitable for most hair types. It provides a balance of effectiveness and gentleness. You can use it on various body parts for smooth, hair-free skin. The hard paste is designed for coarse hair and larger areas. It offers a strong grip for effective hair removal. This paste is perfect for achieving long-lasting results. Whether you're new to sugaring or a seasoned professional, this kit has everything you need. It's a complete solution for starting your own sugaring business or enjoying professional quality results at home. It is a great choice for everyone. Experience the benefits of natural hair removal with this kit. It's made with simple, natural ingredients, making it a healthier choice for your skin. Get ready for smooth, radiant skin. What we like. This kit includes soft, medium, and hard pastes, catering to various hair types and areas. It's designed as a beginner set, making it ideal for those starting a sugaring business. If you are looking to start your own sugaring business or want a comprehensive kit to practice with, you should consider this. What people say. Use significantly less product since you reuse the same glob over the area. Pull out the hair in the direction it grows, so hopefully less ingrowns. Washes off easily with just water. No more cleanup strips or oil to get off pesky wax that stayed behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.